How to clear chat history in ChatGPT app. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your chat history in the ChatGPT app and clear your chat history, whether you're on an iPhone or Android. So if your chat list is getting cluttered or you just want a fresh start, follow along step by step. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Now tap the 3 lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. You'll see a list of your recent chats. To delete an individual conversation, just press and hold on any chat, then tap Delete. On iPhone, you'll see a preview of the chat. Just tap Delete from there. Now, if you want to clear everything all at once, here's how to do it. In the same menu, tap your name at the bottom. Then tap Data Controls. Now tap Clear Chat History and confirm by tapping it again. Keep in mind, this can't be undone. Once you delete your chat history, it's gone for good. But any memories ChatGPT saved about you will still stay. If you want to delete those too, here's what to do. Go back to Settings, then tap Personalization, then Memory. Tap Manage Memories, and from there, delete anything you don't want saved. And that's it. Your ChatGPT history is now cleared, and your memory settings are cleaned up too.